everyone, welcome. I have a Crochet Society unboxing. Oh my gosh, I have waited 24 hours to do this, so I am not going to spend a lot of time. We're just going to dive right in. So I'm trying to Isn't that pretty? Look at that. And there's even some little gold shimmer to it. I hope you can pick that up. Oh yeah, you can see it right there really good. Isn't that so pretty? And box 13, this is box 12, box 13 is already being sent out. So, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. All right. Dun, 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 dun. It's amazing the little things in life that bring so much joy. But here we go. And this time I am prepared. I have my Bella Coco gold scissors. And we're just going to just carefully cut the paper. All right. I know that Sarah Jane did her unboxing the other day, and I did not watch it. I was very tempted, but I was like, no, I'm not going to do it. So I am so excited. All right. So the very first thing on top, well, first let's look at this. This is called Bloomin' Lovely is the name of this box. And I'm so excited that we actually have something in this pattern of the box because I love that pattern. That is so pretty. My lovely patterns. Oh, so it's a little cardboard case to keep our patterns in, which is really good for traveling. Not that I do a lot of traveling anymore, but I like that. And we have some, oh my gosh, we have some stuffing. So maybe we're doing something on the line of an amigurumi. Look at this, you guys. I'm telling you what, if that doesn't make your heart smile, I don't know what would. Look at those beautiful colors. Oh, wow. So I was just looking, and it doesn't give like the colors of them. It just gives like a shade number. But these are 25 grams. It's 100% acrylic. And it's saying that they're machine washable, but it says no bleach, no tumble dry, and no iron. So whatever we make with this will have to air dry. But I was looking to see if there was a yarn weight, is what I was looking for. Yeah, it says hand wash or machine wash. But I don't. It's a knits to DK pattern. but I don't know what weight it is. It's thick enough, it looks like it could be a 4. Anyway, so there's a green and there is a blue, and it's so soft. Blue, and then there's 2 whites and 2 different shades of yellow. And a light pink or maybe a coral, kind of like a peach color. And then a hot pink color. And, oh wow, a sew-on patch that says crochet all day. Oh, I love that. I'm actually wanting to crochet and make my own little catch-all bag. And when I do, I'm gonna sew that on. And got some little eyes and have a pretty rose stitch marker. And what is this? A row counter pin. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. So, oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, so it secures with 2 pins. But I hope you can see this. And the numbers move. You turn the little dials. I can see the 5 and 6 on that one. Let's see. That's a 9. I'm going backwards. It's hard to do it on this cardboard that it's on, but there we go. Let's see if I can get it to move now. There you go. 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, wow. That is so cool. Oh, that is so pretty. I like that. Oh, that is just lovely. And our little Bloomin' Lovely card with our conversion chart on the back. And my little passcode for my patterns. And we have a 4mm crochet hook. It's pretty. I honestly have not used the Crochet Society hooks yet because I'm in love with the Lether Co hooks, but I am going to commit to using this hook with whatever I make with all this yarn and just give it a go and see what happens. So I'll let you know. All right, so let's see what else we've got in here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hold this up, even though I will have all the links in the description box below. And I've even gone on her website and I have copied all of the prices depending on where you live for what the boxes would cost month to month, what they would cost 3 months, at 6 months, and if you paid for everything in a year in advance, and which ones automatically will renew. Because like right now I pay annually, so mine will automatically renew. I don't have to ever worry about not getting a box, thank goodness, because I love these boxes. But I'm just going to show you the little thing that she puts in every month. Now granted, the price on this is for the UK because it's listed in their pound, but anyway, treat yourself. Receive a luxury box of crochet goodies every month from the Crochet Society. And on another video, I said that I thought I paid like $20-25 a month. I have to go back and figure it out, but it was a little bit more than that. I pulled it up and I think I paid, the total was like it was $282 for the year. But when I was copying the prices for the US for a year, it was a little bit more, I think, than what I paid last time. So like I'll have to find out if I'm grandfathered into that price or if I will be paying the increased price. But it's worth it. I think it was only like $10 difference, but it is worth it. Yes. So let's look and see what our patterns are. All right. So this is Sarah Jane, if you have not ever met her, and she tells a little bit about herself and the boxes in here. Let's see. So the first pattern, and about everything that's in the box, comes in, you know, there's a little description for everything in this book. So the first thing we have is a pattern designed by Mandy O'Sullivan, and it is the Sugar Candy Cushion. And that is bright and pretty. And that is the designer's name there. And there's her Instagram page if you want to go check her out. And this looks like the back of the pillow. All right. And the next pattern this is adorable, y'all. Lilliput the Lion, designed by Allison North. Isn't that adorable? Oh my goodness. And so there's the designer and her Instagram page. You want to write that down. Oh, guys, I love that little lion. Here's a bigger up-close picture of it. That is just so adorable. And here's a side and back view. Of course, I can't hold up too long because I can't reveal the pattern. And the last one is an amaryllis blanket designed by Samantha Fornino. And that's what it looks like. If I turn it that way, you might can see the stitches a little bit better. But this is her information. So it uses the lark's foot stitch. So how exciting. Here is another picture. Let me try and get it up close of that lark's foot stitch. So let's flip back to the middle real quick, where it talks about everything in here. So let's see. The pattern wallet. Store your favorite patterns and style. Is the perfect size for your Crochet Society magazines. How brilliant. And then the stitch counter pin. Keep track of your work using this cute enamel pin badge. Turn the wheels to record how many stitches, rows, or repeats you have worked. And This, for the stitch marker, it just says, add a floral flourish to your whips. And then on the patch, it says, show the world your love of crochet with this exclusive patch. This brand new yarn is perfect for multicolored crochet designs as it comes in cute little 25-gram balls. I chose this palette to reflect the floral theme of this box, but there are 26 shades in total, one for each letter of the alphabet from apple to zesty lemon. It's available from all good yarn retailers right now. Find out more at www.signatyarns.com. So let me share that with you in case you want to look up those yarns. Try and get it to come in clear. There we go. I think that's got it. So www.cygnetyarns.com. All right. So that is what was in our box. Never disappointed. Never. So, well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of box 12. Let me show you again this beautiful box. And so again, I will leave all the links in the description box below in case you want to try and get one for yourself. I think right now box 13 and 14 are closed, and I think box 15 has already opened. They go so quick, you guys. So if you're interested, go ahead and get one ordered, because at this point it'll probably be 3, maybe even 4 months before you get your first box. That's just how wonderful they are. So yeah. All right. Well, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure and give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel and have not done so already, please hit the subscribe button as we come together anywhere from 3 to 4 times a week, and we work on projects together. We talk about all things crochet, and we love one another, inspire one another, and encourage one another. And we would love to have you be a part of it. So until next time, be joyful, stay crafty in your own way, make your own joyful creations, and I cannot wait to come back and see you the next time.